Good morning, students. Actually, there are experiments on the Vernier calipers and screws. So, what is Vernier? Vernier calipers is this device. Actually, these are the upper jaws of the Vernier calipers, and these are the lower jaws of the Vernier calipers, and this is called the lever. So there are three main parts. This upper jaws that is used to determine the internal diameter of a cylinder. These are the lower jaws which is used to determine the outer diameter of cylinder or the diameter of a sphere. And this is the bar lever which is used to find the depth of a beaker or depth of a cylinder. Now, in meter scale, you have only one scale, that is the centimeter scale. Here in Vernier calipers, there are two scales. There is a scale on this main strip, that is 0. Close आइए थोड़ा. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And here it is written centimeter. So this is the main scale. This lower scale is the main scale, which is similar to our meter scale. Okay. Now in this main scale, between 0 to 1 there are 10 division, and one division is that of the 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter. Now there is another scale here, this scale. This scale is called this scale. This scale is called Vernier scale. In this Vernier scale, there are 10 divisions starting from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 के बाद एक लंबी लाइन है, उसके बाद फिर 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 के बाद 10 पर लंबी लाइन है. So there are 10 divisions in this Vernier scale. Okay. Now, what is the value of one division on this scale? Not 1 millimeter. It is different from 1 millimeter. So what is the least count of this device? Least count of this device is determined by a formula. बंद कर लीजिए. The least count of this device is determined by the formula least count of Vernier calipers is equal to value of one division on main scale upon total number of division on Vernier scale. So we have seen that one division is equal to 1 millimeter. So we will write here 1 millimeter divided by how many divisions are there in the Vernier scale? 10 divisions. So divided by 10, that is equal to 0.1 millimeter. In centimeter, it is equal to 0.01 centimeter. So what is least count of Vernier calipers? It is 0.01 centimeter. Okay. Now there is another device that is called screw gauge. This is screw gauge, and in this screw gauge there is an inner cylinder and there is an outer cylinder. This outer cylinder rolls over the inner solid cylinder. This is inner solid cylinder and this is the outer hollow cylinder. So outer hollow cylinder rolls over the inner solid cylinder. These are the two jaws of the screw gauge. And here also there are two scales. one scale is this one is the main scale, and this on this outer cylinder there is a circular scale. So on this main scale you observe that 0, 5, 10 and so on 15, 0, 0, 5, 0, 5, 10, 15. So the value of one division on this scale also is 1 millimeter. Okay, between 0 to 5 there are 5 division and value of one division is 1 millimeter. And on this circular scale you observe that it is 20, 30, 40 like that. So there are 100 division starting from here 0. Okay, there are 100 divisions on this scale. So least count of this screw gauge is what? Least count of screw gauge. In the same way, the value of one division on main scale upon total number of divisions on circular scale. So we have seen that value of one division is 1 millimeter and that number of divisions on the circular scale 100, so is equal to 0.01 millimeter. In centimeter 0.00000, in centimeter it is 0.001 centimeter. So this is the least count of screw gauge and this is the least count of Vernier calipers. So you observe that this can measure the length up to second decimal place, screw gauge, Vernier calipers, whereas the screw gauge can measure the length up to third decimal place, whereas the meter scale can measure least count of meter scale is what? Meter scale, ordinary meter scale is what? 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter. So this Vernier calipers is more precise instrument for measuring the length. Screw gauge is more precise instrument for measuring the length than the Vernier calipers because it can measure up to the third decimal place of the 1 centimeter. Okay, thank you.